Okay, just wanted to make a real quick video here based on a situation I actually just ran into. So I opened up my Civil 3D drawing, a roadway design, and you can see I've got my corridor, all these fun things over here, profile, but then I noticed in the corner where I had my section views, when it opened, they were all stacked on top like this. And obviously just the natural reaction just to freak out a little bit and wonder what in the world's going on. And so I thought, well, maybe I can just regenerate, regen all. That didn't do anything. So I actually had to Google this a little bit, but I found a command called LAYOUTSECTIONVIEWGROUP. And if you type that in, you can click on just one of the graphs, right click, and it pops them all back where they go. Now, again, the second freak out is all of them, the actual sections are still somewhere down here. But I did find now, once that is, I can regen all, and it puts everything back where it's supposed to be. So just a quick video, I just wanted to explain that, just to show it both so I can remember and just to help other people maybe that have run into this issue. So that's it for this video. Thanks.